Now that I live in Northern Ireland, I love that the internet enables me to stay in touch with my friends and family in England and Scotland. Messages, FaceTime and online gaming have enabled me to meet new people and stay connected with others. The internet has opened up new ways to do friendship. However, it is important that it joins rather than removes our in-person connection. Our minds and bodies experience connection differently when it happens when we spend time face to face or do an activity together. We sense each other, feel connection, feel how one another feels in ways that can be missing in a chat box or a video call. Do you find one easier than the other? Do you spend more time connecting online or in person? How can you feel safe when you connect online? In what ways could you spend more time face to face with your friends? We live in a world both online and in person, and we would love to encourage you to feel comfortable engaging in both safely.